Be very, very quiet. I am going to use this air horn to wake up Lily in a way that she's never woken up before. This air horn is really loud, so I advise you to turn down your volume, but I better do this now before I get caught. I will hit the button in 3, 2, 1, now.
Ow, 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 ouch, 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 my ear. It hurts so bad, bad, bad. Wah, 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 wah. Hang on, Lily. Me and Caillou are coming.
Lily, it's okay. Me and Rosie are here with you. No need to cry. Hey, Dad, why in the world do you have an air horn? Why? Tell us now.
You are not going to like this, but I, might have woken Lily up with this air horn. I just did it as a prank. I am so—
Drop the air horn. Now.
No, Dad, you freaking psychopath. We can't believe you woke Lily up with that air horn. You could have made her deaf. That's it. You are grounded for 432 eternities. Get your butt to your room right now.
Why?